there, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a random adventure, as usual, taking the Chao Phraya Tourist Boat. It starts many different stops. I'm getting on near Khao San Road and taking it to Asiatique and then taking it back to Khao San Road. So this tourist boat, it's a hop on, hop off boat. If you get on and do one hop off, it's 30 baht, approximately 83 cents. All day is 150 baht, which is about $4. It starts at 8:30 and it goes all the way till 5:30 p.m. So it's an all day thing you can do. There's 13 different hop on, hop off points, to shopping malls, to temples, to well-known sites around Bangkok. The ride from near Khao San Road to Asiatique was about an hour, and it was a really nice ride. Sunny breeze. It was just a great ride. Seeing all the different monuments, past the Grand Palace, a few other temples. When you get on near Khao San Road and you get off at Asiatique, Asiatique is the last stop. I did hop on and find out about this boat a little late, about 4 p.m., seeing as it's going to end at 5:30, but that is not going to stop me from taking the adventure. I'm actually currently at Asiatique. It is a huge area, lots of vendors, restaurants, many different things you could find is right on the water. At Asiatique, they have this giant ship that's docked. It looks beautiful. It looks like you can get a ticket for the cruise ride, maybe for a dinner and drinks. It's real fancy. But in this area, there's a Ferris wheel, there's also a haunted mansion, and there's a lot of picturesque spots all around this area. And they also have these different metal statues all around here, and they have QR codes that you can scan. It's a bit interactive and you can find out more about it. As I said, there are many picturesque spots here. I just turned the corner and I saw this mural wall. Love it. And right next to that, there's more picture stuff. You can climb these stairs, take a picture with the swing. I see one coming. I thought there wasn't any more. I thought that I missed the last one, but there's one coming. For a random adventure around Bangkok, I give this a 2 thumbs up. I was just looking for something chill to do with my last remaining moments in Bangkok, and so happy that I stumbled upon this hop on hop off boat. I will put all of the information in the description box for this boat ride and any other links that I find helpful for you. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, a subscribe, turn on those notification bells so you know when I post a video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Peace, love, good vibes, and I'll see you on my next adventure.